Guys eating establishment. Hello, good afternoon. So we are here in, I don't really know this place because this is my first time to be here, but smells good. There's a lot of restaurants. Yeah, I could smell something. Can you please tell me where we are?
Guy's Court.
Guy's Court. Yeah. Look at that little ducklings. Ah, this is very nice. It reminds me of Philippines, this one. Yeah.
You mean noisy?
Yeah, noisy Periaba. A lot of kids enjoying. We're supposed to have something to eat in that restaurant over there, but it's so busy, so we'll find another restaurant. Si John at si mother-in-law. That's where we've been.
Yeah, when this lot's not here, it looks quite nice. You see, you got roof garden there, looking at everything.
Yeah. So this activity right here is just put up for this weekend.
Yeah.
Ah.
Or whatever it said on that sign on here. There was a sign at one.
Yeah, there is a sign that when it will end. So they are not permanent. The bellflower. Let's try. There's a car coming. Come here this way, mother. There's a car coming. There you go.
Take your time.
The pub looks nice. Yeah. So, kain muna kami mga palangga. So, let's have the menu.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
I have to find my glasses.
This is their menu here. What are you having?
Here's John's.
I'm having cider, and John is having cider as well, and mother is having tea.
Just thinking about that the other way.
So I am having double bacon and cheeseburger, same as John, and mother is having scampi. Very good. How's your scampi? Is that alright?
Lovely. You know, they're doing so many
You see, we got a doggy burger, as what John says. Because my burger is so big and I cannot finish it, so we'll take it for the dog. We're looking for dessert pudding. I will buy you a pudding. So, what would you like? The club pudding?
Yeah.
Would you like another tea, Mom?
It's fine, yeah.
And would you like another drink, sir?
Oh, coffee.
A coffee. What kind of coffee?
Cappuccino.
Like cappuccino. Okay. Alright, well
Oh,
then.
that reminds me. Sorry, is it young?
She didn't touch you, did she?
There you are. You see? So I'm having a dessert, apple pie and club pudding for John. Open it for me. Let me have a look. Gosh. Oh. Ah.
Do it. It's the works, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what we do, we'll do it like that.
Would you like to have a taste, Mom? No?
And then we'll put custard all over it. I bet this is bird custard.
There you go. That looks good. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good thing it's not over sweet.
Good. Mmm. Nice. I'm full. I'm really full up now. We're going home now because the time here is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. There you are. There you go. You ready? Did you enjoy your food, Mom?
Yes, thank you very much.
Good. Thank you for taking us today.
Alright.
Yeah. It's not bad for the food today
Well,
because
for money, it's cracky.
Yeah.
How much did it cost you for puddings and coffee?
puddings and coffee. I think. Let me see. Where is? Did I not get a receipt? I don't know.
Did you not ask?
I think I did not ask
Did you
for
not
the
say?
receipt. I think it's
She
14
could have
pounds.
charged you. What?
I think it's 14 pounds.
Oh, well, that made it expensive then, didn't it?
Yeah, it's
Well,
14.
it hasn't really.
Puddings are much dearer than the main course nowadays.
I think it's something like that. I'm not so sure. I forgot. I will have a look on my.
Well, the puddings were about $3.50, so that's £7. So yeah, you probably will with coffees and teas, yeah.
Coffee and teas, latte and cappuccino.
So it's 30.
Yeah, so the food for the
It's
main.
probably costed 50 quid for all of us though, really.
Yeah, which is not bad. So roughly we spent 50 quid today. My face is so like burning.
You mean you are?
I don't
Rosy.
know. Am I rosy?
Yeah.
The thing in Stranded, there's not a lot of alcohol in there.
Makes you rosy, though.
Yeah, I mean, it feels like it's burning. Yeah. Oh my. A lot of.
Could be someone's gone down, hasn't it? What's that one?
Ambulance, police.
An awful lot of police cars for one little job, isn't there?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's drugs.
That we don't know.
Could be.
But there's something going on in there.
Like,
You're down.
Alright.
oh no, the
No,
garbage.
I got 3. You
Oh,
got 1.
no.
There you
What
go.
I was going to say, you'll have to come and get your card and that for your
Yeah,
birthday
yeah.
because I'm not sending it through post.
Yeah, okay. You got your stick? Yeah, alright, bye-bye. Let's just have a look too. Let's just look at her. Oh, look at her. She's going.
She's getting old, isn't she?
Yeah, she's getting old. We are.
She's lost a lot of weight though.
That's what she said to me. Bye-bye. That's what she said to me. She lost a lot of weight. Look at that moon. It's very clear. Well, it's not focusing properly, but the sky is very clear. We are home. The dog are missing us. They're really barking. Hello. Hello, PB Peepa. Yeah, we will let them out. And we will give them...
You have to put it in half.
Yeah, and we will give them our treat.
Let them have a wee first.
I bought a primrose when we are in Barton Grange. They are in offer for £5. There you go. They're very pretty. I give the other pot for Mama. Hang on. And they need to be watered. Saan ko ito ilalagay? So, dali lang. Ibabalik ko. I'm just gonna cut my burger. If you can relate to me that you do also a doggy bag then up here. Kasi ako nagdo-doggy bag talaga ako eh. You see? It flip over. Look. Gosh. Hang on, it's not.
Cut it in quarters.
Quarters.
Yeah, but you half a burger, it's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big burger, that one. In quarter. Cut them in quarter. Hang on.
We'll give them a quarter first and then we'll come back to another.
Yeah.
Another bit to come. Go on. Oh, it's fine. You got a problem? You're sewing.
Yes, there you go. Look at how thick it is. It's very thick. Hang on, Han. Wait for me. Wait for me. Look at them too. They're very excited.
Now, nicely, nice. You do not take until it's given to you, do you? No.
Look at that. Oh!
Hey,
No!
did it eat part of Pippa's then?
Yeah!
Yeah, it would do.
Baby, you eat people's part.
That's it, we'll be sniffing bits now.
Yeah. I know it is unhealthy to give that to the dog, but we don't do that regularly. We just give them a treat from time to time.
Well, this is the time.
And this is the time. Look at this one, oh. He's being so naughty today.
I have not been naughty, I've been a good husband. I've been the bestest husband. He said, husband, you are the finest. I remember you.